Alerts notify you when specific conditions are met on a symbol, so you don't have to watch the screen constantly. Let's walk through how to create them. To create an alert, click on the price display in the chart bar or right-click anywhere on the chart. From the menu, select Create Alert. This opens the Alert Configuration dialog. At the top, Notify Me On defaults to price condition, but you can change it to portfolio metric, calendar event, news, or rating change. The symbol field autofills with your current chart symbol, but you can change it to any symbol you want. The spread dropdown defaults to stock. Leave this on stock unless you're an experienced trader creating alerts for advanced option spreads. Now let's set up your price trigger. The price dropdown lets you choose what price type to monitor: last, bid, ask, mark, volume-related metrics, close, or study values. Most traders stick with one of the standard price types for basic alerts. Next, choose your condition. At or above triggers when price reaches or goes above your level. At or below triggers when price reaches or goes below your level. Notice the lock icon next to the price field. When the lock is off, the price field updates in real time as the market moves. You can also set an offset using the percentage, dollar amount, or tick buttons. The price field shows the live current price, but when you create the alert, it calculates the trigger price based on your offset. For example, if you set plus 10% and the price is $300 when you click Create, your alert will trigger at $330. When you toggle the lock on, the price field stays static. You type in a specific price, and it won't change even if the market moves while you're filling out the rest of the form. The Add OCO Condition button lets you add a second condition to create more complex alerts. Once you've set up your alert trigger, configure how and when you'll be notified. In the Notify With section, choose your notification methods: play a sound, send email, send text messages, or send push notifications to your mobile device. Below that, choose what information gets included. Use all fields for everything or selected below to check only specific data points. Under Options, the Submit setting controls when your alert becomes active, now, starts immediately, or at a specified time schedules it. The Expire setting determines how long it stays active, not specified runs indefinitely, or at a specified time sets an expiration date. The Alert for Reverse Crossover determines whether your alert stays active after triggering. No alert triggers once and becomes inactive. Create Silent Alert or Create Regular Alert, keep it active and continuously retriggering. When triggered, it automatically creates a new alert with the opposite condition. For example, bid at or above $304 creates bid below $304 when triggered, which then creates bid at or above $304 again, cycling indefinitely until canceled. Once configured, click Create. Your alert is now active. To manage alerts, go to MarketWatch tab, then Alerts subtab. You'll see all alerts listed with symbols, conditions, and status. On your charts, active alerts display as triangle arrows on the price axis. OCO alerts show two arrows for both conditions. To replace or delete an alert from the chart, right-click the arrow. To manage from the MarketWatch list, right-click the alert or use the hamburger icon. You can only replace one alert at a time, even for OCO alerts. Alerts stay active even when Thinkorswim is closed. Without email or text notifications, you won't know alerts triggered until you log back in.